Guys, I found this app. This app is called Work Task. With this app, you can be working around and be making money with it. Yes, I know you'll be shocked or you'll be surprised, but this app you are seeing right here, immediately you install the app on your phone, you open the app, you start working around on your compound or in the main road, anywhere you are working around with the app, you'll be making money from the app, and this money can be withdrawn to your own account. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to put you through how you can install this application on your phone and how you can be using this app by working around with the app and be making money. In fact, you can keep your phone in your pocket and be working around and you'll be making money with this app. So in this video I'm going to put you through step by step on how you can install this application on your phone and be making money with it. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can install this application on your phone and be making massive money from it just by working around with this app. Let's get started. Now let's get started, and to get started, head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You'll see a link there. The first link, when you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. And when it brings you to an interface like this is how you are going to see it. Now, as you can see here, it says steps here. Immediately you click on these steps here, you started working around, it will start counting this coin and you can withdraw this coin to your own account. Now, let me show you how it works. When you click on these steps now, right now, as you can see, it says work 29 more steps to earn coin. So you just click on get extra coin. And when you click on get extra coin, it will bring you to an interface like this where you're going to see other bonuses which you can also do, and you'll be making money with this app. Now let's go back. As you can see, these are working steps. You just install this working step. As you can see, coin video. As you can see, you can also check some offers here. As you can see, offers here which you can also be doing and be making money. As you can see, they also have surveys here which you can be answering questions and you'll be making money from it. When you click on task here, also you are going to see daily check-in here where you can check in every day. When you click on check-in, as you can see, you just click on check-in today, and when you click on check-in today, you also earn another cool extra coin for yourself. Now you can also click on daily task here, which you can click on. You join their Telegram channel here. When you click on go, you join your Telegram channel and you also make some cool cash channel, and you make some cool cash for yourself. Now let's go back. You can see a lot of things here. Invite friends, you earn money. Complete a survey, you earn money. Complete an offer, you earn some coins. All these are coins. You can also click on play here and you see different type of games which you can also play, and you also earn some money for yourself. As you can see, these are different type of games which you can start playing right now and you'll be making money for yourself. Now when you click on redeem here, this is where you are going to withdraw your money if you have made a lot of money from this platform. Now as you can see, you can withdraw through PayPal. As you can see, if you make up to 3,000 coin here, which is $5, you can withdraw through PayPal. As you can see, you can withdraw through gift card. Also, there are a lot of withdrawal method which you can use to withdraw from this platform. Now if you are from this platform, so I know a lot of people from Nigeria or other people from other country who don't have PayPal account will be finding difficult to use their PayPal account or use PayPal account to withdraw money from this platform. But that should not be a problem to you. I have a video in this channel which I teach you how you can withdraw, which I teach you how you can create a working PayPal account, a verified working PayPal account, which you can use to receive money or send out money anytime you want to send out money. Yes, you can use that PayPal account to receive money or send money in any country you are in the world, and it's a working PayPal account. So I'll be leaving down the link to that video in the description of this video or the comment section of this video, or you can comment in the comment section and ask me for the video, and I'm going to send you the video so that you watch the video and see how you're also going to get your own PayPal account which you are going to be using to withdraw money from this app or any other platform, or even receive money from any person in the world. Now when you click on reward here, this is where you see your reward that you have earned so far. Now let's come to home here. When you come to home, all you just have to do is just to start working around. Immediately you start working, this coin will start counting itself. Just start working around and it will start counting itself. As you can see, bonus coins here. You invite friends, you also earn money. And to invite friends, all you just have to do is just to click on go here, and you'll be given a referral link here, which you can use and invite your friends. And when you invite your friends, you also be earning some commission. So this how this app work, that you'll be using it to make massive money for yourself every day. Now when you go back here, you're going to see how it works. Now let me start example for you guys. Now let me start walking around in my room right now and see if this money will start counting. Now as you can see, I just take a full step and it has count. As you can see, I just take a few steps and it has count. So this is how you can be doing it, and you'll be making money with it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.